Presenting Pod Builder, the free-to-use SkySpark extension that makes pod building simple, enabling you to easily share and install Axon functions, apps, views, and files across different SkySpark installations. But first, what are pod files, and why would you want to build one? Pod files are the SkySpark way to package up data so it may be shared and installed on other SkySpark installations. Pod files may contain Axon code, apps, views, rules, templates, and other project data from the SkySpark Folio database. They are the de facto way to create SkySpark extensions, enabling you to enhance the standard SkySpark experience and functionality. Sounds simple, right? But the problem is, creating pod files manually can be a difficult and technically challenging process. That's why Phantom Factory's very own Steve Eynon decided to create the Pod Builder extension to streamline the building, sharing, and installation of pod files. Pod Builder allows you to visually select what data and files you want to export from your current SkySpark project, and automatically compiles them into a pod file. Let's take a quick look at the app and walk through the process of building pods. When you first launch Pod Builder, you will find a default project already set up. Here on the first page, you can change the details of the pod, such as its name, version number, and summary. Also, the meta dialog allows you to edit the more advanced details. The Folio view is where you select records from the Folio database and export them to Trio files, which are then included in the pod. Simply select the records to be included and click Add. The resulting Trio file then appears here on the right. Each of these tabs represents a different Trio file, letting you organize your Folio records as you see fit. For instance, the View tab lets you export all of your view records into a single Trio file. The Edit button lets you manage which Trio files get created, and what records are displayed in each tab. Pod Builder also features cross-compatibility with Axon Encryptor. Simply install and enable Axon Encryptor on the same project, and all your Axon functions can easily be encrypted as part of the same pod building process, thus ensuring your work is safe and secure. The Files view is where you can upload any additional files that you might want to include in your pod, such as images, documentation, or any other resource file required by your extension. The My Pods view lets you view the detail and file structure of your pod. If you're using Pod Builder for free, then you will only be able to manage one pod at a time. However, if you purchase a license for Pod Builder, then you'll be able to manage and build multiple pod projects. When you're ready to build your pod, go back to the main view and click the, well, you've guessed it, the Build Pod button. And success! Great! But how do we distribute it? Our options are to download it, install it into our current SkySpark installation we're running on, which is handy for testing another project, or we can upload it to StackHub. Pod Builder features integration with StackHub, allowing you to upload your pods directly into your StackHub account. From there, you may share your pod openly with everyone, or privately with trusted clients and colleagues. Remember, SkySpark itself also integrates with StackHub, meaning uploaded pods can be downloaded and installed directly from the SkySpark Install Manager, available in the Host app. Our Pod Builder extension is available to purchase on StackHub and is free to download and get started. Get creative and share your SkySpark extensions with Phantom Factory's Pod Builder. Thanks for watching.